This is Barbara at Kaizink, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to add someone into a ring group. So we can see here that 121 is a ring group, and that is the ring group where everything comes into when someone is calling into the shop. 121 and 123. So I want to go into this ring group, and let's see who the members currently are. And it is myself, Jeff Hale, and graphic design. So we are going to add Nikki to that group and save that change. And now we're going to go back to ring groups, and we're going to go to 123, and let's see what members are in there. We want to also add Nikki to that ring group. So we've done that, and we're going to save it. Thank you for watching.